Hi, I'm Brandy, and today I'm going to be unboxing my very first Bomibox. Yay! So I've been getting Bomi Bag for a while, and then I decided I like Bomi Bag, so I was going to upgrade to Bomibox for more full-size products. This is the mailer it came in. You guys know I always show you that, so this is Bomibox. It's a really pretty box. Just check that out. Lovely. Okay, we got some tissue here. We got our little dilly bobs. Aw, so cute. Oh my god, oh my god. Cute. And so soft. Oh my gosh. It is really soft. Cooling Aqua Facial Mist by Coase. Cool. Tea Tree Cleansing Water. Looks like it's by Benton. AHA BHA PHA 30 Days Miracle Cleansing Bar. Oh lord, sorry. Real tea tree. Blackhead nose pack. 2 masks, avocado and tea tree, and they're both by It's Skin. And then we've got like a little trial size item here. Nourishing Care Lip Sleeping Pack. I've got this in another box recently and I can't remember which one. But I definitely got it. I want to say it was my Pink Soul. So if I do have another one, this is going to be my 100 subscriber giveaway. Let me just pull up my phone. You guys know that my one biggest beef with this box is that it doesn't come with an insert, which I think is not my favorite. So basically, the Benton Tea Tree Cleansing Water, the Tosu Wong Blackhead and Sebum Out Nose Pack, the Clavu Nourishing Lip Care Sleeping Pack Mini, It's Skin, the Fresh Mass Avocado and Tea Tree, so I'm a little confused because I'm looking at the info card and it doesn't have anything about these 3 items. It has something about or maybe I'm looking at the wrong month. It's a little bit, oh, because I clicked on Bomi Bag. Sorry guys. So this, I would have gotten all this in Bomi Bag. And a different product, the Fix Sense Soothing Mist, which I got in a Mishi box like 4 months ago. So it actually worked out great that I got this box instead. So this is the Coase Aqua Facial Mist. This is the Sunbeamy AHA BHA PHA 30 Days Miracle Cleansing Exfoliator Bar. Double Dare OMG Hair Band by Sky Blue. And then the other stuff would have been the same as the Bomi Bag. And so you can look up all of these products on their site individually, and I will leave a link below, not only to what was in this box so you guys can see the insert, but also so you can see the pricing. So Bomi Bag is monthly. It's samples. It would have come with basically these items and one more spray for 20 bucks. And then this one, I want to say, and don't quote me because I'm going to put it in the description below, it's $37.99 and the extra items are worth these 3. So, pretty cool. This is my first one. I like it. I feel like I got good quality products. So Benton and Coase are some of my favorite, and It's Skin makes really good masks. So I'm pretty pleased. I will be doing more of these in the future. So please stay tuned. Comment below if you have any comments about the video, or if you have any boxes you think I should try. or if you just want to say hello, I'm always down for that too. And otherwise, please like this video, and if you haven't already, please subscribe. When I get to 100 subscribers, I'll be doing a giveaway, so stay tuned for that. Thank you so much. Hope you have a nice night. Bye.